rubber.
The construction site has run out of sand. Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet, can you help me transport some sand?
No problem. Leave it to me.
The sand. The sand is ready. Watch out for obstacles. Use rockets and oil tanks to speed up. The sand.
Yeah, so much sand! Thank you, Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet.
Crane.
The doors and windows to the garden villa haven't been installed yet. Doo-Doo.
Door. Window. Window. Door. Window. Window.
Wow! All the doors and windows have been installed. Thank you, Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet.
Bulldozer.
There's a lot of rubbish on the road. Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet, can you clean it up?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Mixer truck. The construction site has run out of concrete. Doo-Doo Engineering Fleet, can you help me?
No problem. Leave it to me.
Add some sand. Add some water. Turn on the switch. Turn on the switch. Wow, so much concrete! Thank you, Doo Doo Engineering Fleet!